Hello everyone, this is Chris Rochnot, 24K on Twitter. Today we're unboxing the Kensington PowerLift KeyFolio Thin X3 case with keyboard for the iPad Air. They also have a version for the iPad Air 2 and other cases as well. So take a visit to Kensington. This magnetic lock here shows you that this keyboard has an internal battery that can also recharge your phone during use. So what's nice about this case is it's two items in one. This part right here is the keyboard, and then this part here is where the tablet goes, and it fits right there. So I haven't really tested these keys yet, but they seem to be nice. We'll see after a couple hours of use. This is where you put the iPad. Spots for the camera, microphone, up here, more spots, switches, volume, power down here, and this is where the micro USB port is, right there. And this is the Kensington KeyFolio Thin X3, so you can get some work done and charge your phone. This is Chris Rochnot, 24K on Twitter.